So guys, welcome to our training, and this is Nguchuchu village located in Kilwa, and we are doing basin analysis. That's one of the interesting parts. Here it's around 136 kilometers from Kilwa Masoko to this area, where there is a lot of geological features, and there are a lot of rock here. So our interest today is just to find out the basement of this basin. And as you can see, in Mandawa Basin, the basin that is located in Tanzania, mostly in coastal areas of Tanzania. It's in Lindi region. So among of the things that are within basin, like you need to find out the basement of this basin. So when you come here in Nguchuchu village, you will encounter this granite as one of the rock which act as a basement in our basement in this basin. So you can see it have undergone some it have been metamorphosed. So this is a granite the igneous rock which have been metamorphosed. So graniticness, this is one, or it's a basement in Basin, in Mandawa Basin. So according to the history and according to the geological history, Mandawa Basin have been categorized when you go vertically down vertically from above the surface to the subsurface. It have been categorized in groups. It have 5 groups. So the oldest group, the one just after basement, sediments that you will encounter on top of this basement are formed in a group that is called Pindilo group. So now I'm just showing you the basement, but we will go in another place where we will find another formation that is within Pindilo group. So after basement of Mandawa Basin, the basement of Mandawa Basin, on top of basement we have this group that is called Pindilo group. But after Pindilo group, there is another group that is called, Mandawa group. After Mandawa group, there is another group again that is called Mavuji group. After Mavuji group, you will encounter another formation on top of Mavuji group. There is Kilwa group. After Kilwa group, the last group, and we are seeing the recent group. This is called Songo group, where you will find the youngest sediment that has been deposited in this basin. So here today I'm showing you the basement of this basin. So once you want to locate this one, you will find out in the picture the details, where the location, where you can encounter the basement.